Hello everybody, time for a quick look inside Vancouver Public Schools. I am Nick Vole. 2 months after it opened its doors to students and staff, community members finally got their first chance to go inside the new Ogden Elementary School at a special ceremony last night. Tara Cox was there and has a report. Tara?
Thanks. Now that the school's been open for 2 months, we've officially cut the ribbon and the school is open. There are a lot of excited people here to check it all out.
3, 2, 1!
With the snip of a ribbon, Principal April Whipple and student leaders dedicated the new Ogden building in front of a big crowd. Guests and students can't help but notice how big and beautiful the new school is.
There's like stairs, even more rooms and more space.
I really like it. The spaces seem to flow well. I've got both a first grader and a third grader, and the spaces just flow, and they seem to work for all of the students and the teachers and the staff.
On the stage, Principal Whipple was joined by Superintendent Dr. Steve Webb and School Board member Mark Stoker. Student leaders did their part too, singing the school song. We asked several students their favorite part of the new campus, including twin sisters Kaylee and Kenna.
What I like about the new school is that the playground is ginormous. It has way more swings.
Other students love to climb the big staircase and visit one of the school's most stunning features.
The library, I really like it. I come here every, Tuesday, and it's very fun. You can just take a book and sit down and just feel like you're in a whole different world.
One particular classroom also gets a lot of love.
The makerspace is big, and I like that you can make stuff in it. I made a rocket ship. I've been making airplanes.
The school's integrated technology inspired one boy we talked to.
Because I was born to do science, and I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
And as families happily walk the hallways or eat some of the celebratory cake, it's clear that the community effort it took to build the school was worth it.
I like how that everybody tried the best to make this new school.
Well, people are heading out, and if you missed this opening for this new school, there'll be other ones to check out later this year. Back to you.
Thank you, Tara, and check this out. It is our favorite post from social media, and it features Tara Cox, who you just saw. Earlier today, she was named to the Vancouver Business Journal's Accomplished and Under 40 list. At a luncheon, she was given an award for her professional excellence and her many volunteer hours in the community. Congrats to Tara, who is really great to work with every day. And if you ask me, being under 40 is an accomplishment in and of itself. And hey, if you're on social media, why not connect with Vancouver Public Schools? We are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Vole.